Okay, we're back. Church is done. The rendering of the application should be done. So this application, which has had about 1,047 updates to it, or yeah, updates to it where there's been changes in the connections between nodes, and yeah, um, it has 532 actual nodes in this graph. It should have rendered an Electron.io application, a Netcore website, and a React Native mobile app that should work for iOS and Android. Let's just see if this actually fires up without me having to actually do anything extra. So I should just write yarn dev. So I should just start it up in dev mode. Hopefully that just works. And we'll go to the .NET Core site. And this is the .NET Core solution that this graph was able to generate. So this obviously isn't all 532 nodes because my UI has like a limitation of being able to deal with about 70 nodes at a time on this screen. It's a pretty not high-end computer. It's like it was like $800 off Amazon or something like that. So it just kind of gives you the range of machine that this is actually running on. And let's see what we got. Oh yeah, one more thing that we need to also say what the HTML route is to this guy. I can't remember if it needs to be at both levels or which level it needs to be at. And then instead of doing scaffold again, which takes like 5 or 10 minutes, we just publish the files again so it doesn't have to pull down all the NuGet packages and stuff. Just rewrites everything real quick. And let's see what we got. What's going on? Why is this not showing as I would assume it should? This might be a case of I made a small mistake somewhere, which has been known to happen on more than a few occasions. Oh wait, I think I know. I forgot to set the component. Oops. So I set that component. Do a save. Publish files one more time. It should update. Boom. Now I got a register button and a login button, which is what this thing is supposed to be. Register and login button, which should take us to where we want to go. So if we hit register, let's take us to the register page. We don't have the, let's see, register form. Should be able to look at the options, Electron.io, look at the components, go to register, make sure we have that cancel button selected. Do not remember if we attached everything to it though. Yep, we did. Okay, let me hit that again. And this thing should update. Now I have to register, so now we can navigate. That's pretty good. And we can do login, or we can do authenticate, which has the same sort of issue. So we can just find authenticate, use Control W to clear all the stuff out so it can keep a usable UI. And basically these command here are basically telling it to toggle the viewing of things that are connected based on the type of connection that's there. So yeah, and the cancel button's not showing because it's not being set to the component for that particular space. And then hit the publish. This updates. Now we have a cancel button here, and now we can navigate this, use that email. I'm not doing any sort of actual security or anything. And then if I hit this, it should call the website, but it's not running. And you gotta make sure Cosmos emulator is on. Oh, it's already running. Great. The web. Hit start. Or no, that's not gonna start because I have to do one more thing. So put the app settings so they get copied to where they're supposed to go. Still working on making it so I don't have to do this every time I make a new project, but it hasn't bothered me enough to spend a lot of time concentrating on it. Which means this should just blow up right away. Yeah, and that's not going to work because it's looking for the app settings and it's not there. Stop that, but I changed this thing, so app settings, content, do always copy, save that, hit go, so this will be sent over. I have app secret here that just, I think I randomly copied that from somewhere, whatever. So now when I hit this, register, oh yeah, I need a configuration node, pin that, with some values. Let's see, what is the website that's currently being run? Let's see what the, okay, 4438, which means I need to change these guys to 4438. 4438. I see wherever that is. Not that one. Save that, push that, and those should all change. Bingo, bango. Still always copying. 4438. Right, this thing. Email, password. I think that needs to be pass 43. Bang. Hit that, register. That's actually calling, almost called the right thing. Baby crying, pretty normal. Just didn't get what he wants, but here we are. And that process to update. One more time. Pass 23. And register. Hopefully went to the right URL this time. And it looks like it was successful. So then we can go to the Cosmos editor, see what's actually in our database, see if there's anything in here. There's something in here. Oh, I have a username. I have a claim for the user that we created. Or the actual username here. These are the actual objects I'm creating. Yeah. So that works. Cool. And this is how I'll start creating applications from here on out. Hopefully be able to build full-out applications in less than a working day. But not just an application